going to go over some single leg Bulgarian split squats. So for these, you'll need a box or a bench to put your foot up on. For our purposes, I built the floor up a little bit because of some flexibility issues. But what we'll do for these is we'll have the top of one foot resting on the box, okay, and another forward foot right here. So you can choose to have a pair of dumbbells in your hands as you get stronger to build it up, or you can do it weightless right here with your hips on your shoulder. And so from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down, okay, until my thigh is about parallel to the floor, and then extend back up. So after you do one side, you want to repeat on the other. You can have your foot like this, or you can have it flat on the box like that. Really focusing on not letting the knee get too far past the toe. Pretty challenging. So as you can see there, require a lot of balance element. And that right there is a single leg Bulgarian split squat.